Díomh cardja is Misha Brónagh agus failte go dtí an Ciorcal fuála. Today we're going to be making some St. Patrick's Day bunting. In your packs you'll have some of this burlap material. Now you start off by measuring over 11 centimetres. Making a mark. And then do the same again over every 22 centimetres. Turn it around and do the same on the other edge. And what you do now is just join them up to make triangles. If you just do that the whole way across and then cut them out, and get some triangles like these. Next thing you do is you trace your shamrock stencil onto some bondaweb, and then you iron that onto the back of the green material that you'll have in your pack, and then cut it out into the shamrock. After that, just peel it off and iron it on into the centre. So you should have a few different colours of thread in there, and you just use one to use your blanket stitch and secure it into place. If you just keep doing that the whole way around. And then you put it in between the binding of your bunting, and you use some of the white thread in your pack just to sew it into place like we done on our Valentine's bunting. And again, just make sure you get both sides in the front and the back so it's secure. And that's how you do your St. Patrick's Day bunting.